Hong Kong's new opportunities amid changes reshaping the economic landscape have been highlighted at the 15th Asian Financial Forum, which opened virtually on Monday.
This year's theme is Navigating the Next Normal Towards a Sustainable Future. The theme properly describes what people nowadays are looking forward to in a world of uncertainties marked by extreme weathers, pandemic outbreaks, geopolitical tensions, and diverging fiscal and monetary policies worldwide. It is exactly the quest to navigate through these uncertainties that brings us all here.
Lam said the Hong Kong SAR government expects some $30 billion in public sector investment over the next 15 to 20 years to support local carbon reduction measures. According to Lam, the Hong Kong SAR government looks forward to the creation of a global voluntary carbon market, and carbon market opportunities as part of Hong Kong's growing cooperation with the Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macau Greater Bay Area. The two-day 15th AFF is a highlight event celebrating the 25th anniversary of Hong Kong's return to the motherland. It will present the insights of more than 170 global business leaders, policymakers, financial experts, investors, entrepreneurs, tech giants and economists.